Welcome back to my happy greener world. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing one of Samsung's most affordable premium tablets, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE. If you're looking for productivity, media, and portability without spending a fortune, this could be the tablet for you. Let's dive in. Unboxing begins. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Opening it up, you're greeted with the tablet itself, sleek and cool to the touch. Underneath, we find a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, some paperwork, a SIM ejector tool, and yes, a full-size S Pen included right in the box. No need to pay extra for the pen like you do with some other tablets, and that's a big win. There's no charger included, so keep that in mind. First impressions and design. Now, let's talk about the design. The Tab S9 FE features a slim aluminum unibody that feels sturdy and premium. The silver color we have today looks sleek and professional, but you can also choose mint, vibe. At just over 525 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable for long use. On the right, you've got the power button with an integrated fingerprint scanner, volume controls, and dual microphones. The bottom features stereo speakers and the USB-C port, which supports 45-watt fast charging, though you'll need to buy that charger separately. And yes, it comes with a microSD slot, so you can add up to 1 terabyte of extra storage. That's perfect for offline videos, photos, or large documents. Display and media experience. Let's move on to the display. The Tab S9 FE has a 10.9-inch IPS LCD panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. While it's not AMOLED, the screen still looks vibrant, with solid brightness and good viewing angles. It's great for YouTube, Netflix, or reading articles, and the higher refresh rate makes scrolling and animations feel smooth. The resolution is 2304 x 1440, giving you a sharp experience, whether you're watching videos or editing documents. Performance and daily use. Under the hood, you'll find the Exynos 1380 processor, the same chip found in the Galaxy A54 smartphone. It's paired with either 6 or 8 GB of RAM, depending on the model you choose. Is it lightning fast? No. But for tasks like browsing, video streaming, multitasking, and even using apps like Canva or OneNote, it's more than capable. And here's the cool part, Samsung DeX is supported. That means you can turn your tablet into a mini laptop with a desktop-like interface. Use multiple windows, drag and drop, and even connect it to a monitor. It's a productivity boost for students, remote workers, or anyone who wants more from their tablet. Gaming and entertainment. Casual gaming is very doable on the Tab S9 FE. Thanks to the 90Hz refresh rate, games like Clash of Clans, Minecraft, and Genshin Impact run smoothly, though you'll need to keep settings moderate for more demanding titles. The dual stereo speakers sound rich and well-balanced, making movie nights and YouTube binges very enjoyable. If you use this tablet for Netflix or Spotify, you're in for a great experience. S Pen experience. Let's talk about the S Pen. It's not Bluetooth enabled like the one on the Ultra models, but it's still incredibly functional. You can write, sketch, annotate, or use Air Command features, and the handwriting recognition is accurate. There's almost no lag, making it feel like writing on paper. And when you're done, the pen magnetically attaches to the back of the tablet or the side for safekeeping. Battery life and charging. Battery life is another strong point. With 8000 mAh, you'll get about 7 to 9 hours of screen-on time in real-world use. That's browsing, watching videos, taking notes, and light gaming. With a 45-watt charger, you can go from 0 to 100% in about 90 minutes, way faster than older models like the Tab A8. Camera overview. The rear camera is nothing to brag about, an 8-megapixel shooter, decent for scanning documents or the occasional photo. But the 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera really shines. It supports 4K video at 30 frames per second, and thanks to Samsung's auto-framing and face tracking, it's perfect for Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams. Who should buy this tablet? So, who is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE for? If you're a student, digital note taker, remote worker, or just someone who wants a solid media device with DeX, this is one of the best mid-range tablets you can buy today. For under $350, you're getting a premium metal build, a high refresh rate display, an S Pen included, great speakers, DeX productivity, expandable storage, and long battery life. Sure, it's not a powerhouse, but for most people, it checks all the right boxes. Closing. So, what do you think of the Tab S9 FE? Let me know in the comments below, and if you've already picked one up, share your experience. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech guides, clean energy tips, and smart living content. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your tech smart and your world greener.